Yo, so what's happening, my people? It's your boy Chance Jollivet, aka Smooth, back with another video, man. One of my favorite things to bring to the channel. Some brand new shoes, man. So, with no further ado, let's get to it. So we're gonna start off. We got this FedEx packaging and stuff right there, man. Nothing too important. Gonna take this off, see what's in the inside.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Alright. So you see that box, man. You see them A's on there. So there's that A Ma Maniére. Check out some of the information. So these come by way of Swag Kick. So gotta show love, man. Appreciate Swag Kick for sending these through, man. Making this video possible and stuff. So let's get the plastic up out of the way. Got a bias, little cream type color. Got gray at the bottom and stuff. Get that up out of the way. So we get to some more A's. Got the A paper all around. A Ma Maniére. That. Got like a little receipt type joint right there. Get that up out of the way. Oh, hey. And now we get to the main event. Hey, so check it out right there. A Ma Maniére Jordan 3s. What y'all think about these right here, man? Give you a quick 360. So, yeah. Seen a few looks of these, man. They've been upcoming. But got these in hand. So, come with an extra pair of white laces and stuff, man. Put that to the side. So, it's crazy. They got a pair of white laces, but they have a white pair of white laces in here already. So, it's like, I don't know. Guess if they get dirty or something. I don't know. But, so check them out, man. In both shoes, they are slightly different. They have a little bit of differences. And the differences is the tongue. So, one has the Jumpman on there, and the other one has the 8 for that A Ma Maniére. So they have had a lot of A Ma Maniéres, man, all kind of different models, 12s, 1s, shit. Did it have 2s, shit, 3s, 4s, didn't have all kind of A Ma Maniéres or whatever. So it's your preference, which ones that you like. Will this be one of the classic models? Like, one thing that I noticed on this shoe that I do like, I love the toe. The toe is cut low. Like, I hate whenever Jordan 3 is like blocky, whenever it's high. The toe is cut low, man. Like, it is aerodynamic. It is straight. Like, I'm happy about that. Like, so that is nice. It has a nice, like, rough suede on the front of that toe. So you can see that all the way around. The upper is comprised of a tumbled leather all the way through. So, got that tumble all around. And it's that tumble and that rough suede. Because that suede, you could really notice it in the back. On this area right here, that suede is super rough. So, I do like that. I do like that. They have like some fibers with it and stuff, man. So, that is dope. They got a little bit of widow's peaks. Like, you see that on the toe and stuff right there. They do come with these tags. So they got the A Ma Maniére tag right there. And then they have that Nike Air tag. One thing I do like about this tag is you see how the length, like, it's not dragging on the floor. So if you want to keep this on the shoe, it's not going to mess anything up. It's not going to be all bent up and going under the shoe or anything. You can walk and keep this on. And even though you can keep this tag on as well, I like to keep the tags on. But you know, if you do keep the tag on, it's probably going to... But I don't know if this one's going to really make the most noise or something. But, like, sometimes, like, something can kind of bump into your shoe. And, like, you can kind of hear it. But check out the back. I do like that touch right there. Because, you know, like, a lot of times they want to do the aging process on shoes. I like that they did the back tab. Like, they didn't go crazy with it. They did the back tab with the Nike Air. Got that with the aging. And just the midsole. The midsole got a little bit of that aging, that sail on there. So they didn't go like stupid crazy with the aging and stuff, make it look super old and stuff. But very nice, very nice. Got a very like muted blue in the back. Very like light blue. It's a different kind of blue. It's not like navy or anything like that. But it looks good, man. It looks good. I like it, man. Got a little bit of blue on them eyelets by the laces and stuff, man. Then you got some more of that gray texture and stuff like that. Check out the stars. All that good stuff on the threes. That sole is nice. I like that. The most part of it is like that dark, like gray, that charcoal type gray. And they have a little bit of that sail. So the bottom, you won't have to worry about it getting like super dirty or anything because most of it is a dark color. Like whenever they got a white bottom or something, you know it's toast. It's toast. But, so check it out. Got a little shoe tree right there. The inside, they do have that quilted material. So they got the A Ma Maniére in the inside. They got the quilted at the bottom and stuff, man. The last thing, air seal. Got the little air seal unit right there. In the inside, it looks, I'm pretty sure it's probably like sail, like a sail color in the inside or whatever. But got that air unit right there. What do y'all think about these shoes, man? Do you think overrated? Do you think this a classic? Think these are fire? Y'all let me know in the comment section, man. So Swag Kick, appreciate y'all for sending these through, man. Like, very much a nice shoe. Like, nicer than I thought it would look. Like, yeah, this one is pretty dope. So, anyways, we're going to do a quick on foot. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and most hated, man. I'll let you boy. But